These are the coolest 3D printed music instruments you need to see. Let's get into it. Make sure to dry your filament for better print results. Everything in this video is printed with the Bambu Lab A1, which is in my opinion the perfect printer if you're new to 3D printing. As you can see, it came very well packaged and it's super easy to assemble. The A1 features a camera that utilizes AI to monitor your print and automatically pauses the process if a failure is detected. After the automatic calibrations, the printer got perfect prints right out of the box. Over the last weeks that I have been testing the A1, I had 0 print failures so far, which makes 3D printing just so enjoyable for everyone. With the Bambu Handy app, you can monitor and also start prints when you're away. Thanks to Bambu Lab for making this all possible.